Hi, in this video you can see my cat in a better light. Um, you probably couldn't see her well in the What Is Love video, I mean, the What Is Cupcake video. But, well, you could see her when I was moving her head. Moving her head to the music. Um, oh, you're gonna see what she does when this other cat comes around. There's this cat named Peanut that lives in the neighborhood, and Cupcake hisses, and it's really funny. I might take this camera to my grandma's house, so you can see, they can see a cat chasing another cat. Okay, over here. Over here. Hi. Over here. All that sound you're hearing is the furnace. Oh, okay, see ya.